Hi guys, NCWQ here, and looking at EMSC, and today's been slightly busy. We're going to look at these fives that have been happening. So we'll start with Adrianoff Islands, Aleutian Islands, for a 5.5. It was 11 hours ago, and I'm looking at them for the first time, so I'm just sharing them with y'all at the same time. So this one was 238 kilometers deep. We'll put this into Google Earth here. And we'll see where these quakes have been occurring. We can see this is the peninsula up here. This is Alaska over here. So this one is occurring on the backside of these volcanoes here. So we'll check out the next one, which was a 5.5 in Mal, Chile. This was 10 hours and 38 minutes ago, and it was 64 kilometers deep. So we'll get this one into our Google Earth here as well. Whoa. And again, I'm looking at them for the first time as well. This is near Pentagon and El Alamo. I don't know if we have any views down here, so we can see if we do. We have some near the area, so let's go over here. And the epicenter was over that way. Looks like a dust storm down that way. Really cool. So that's the area of that earthquake. So that was a 5.5 Mal, Chile, 64 kilometers deep. And as we move up, we can see we had a 5.6 near the coast of central Peru. So we'll look at the area for this one as well. Looks like it's been a busy day with near sixes. And that one was over here off land. Let's see if we have any views down in this area at all. Sometimes we do and sometimes we don't, and I don't see any over in that area. You guys, sorry, you might hear my granddaughter in the background. That's Asia there, or Ica there. We're looking in this area. And this is the Zona Reservada de San Fernando. When we look at this, we can see this is in between the area of volcanism there. So we have volcanoes over here. And that one was 10 kilometers deep. We go to the first page. We can see that we had two in Vanuatu. They look to be in the same area, so we'll look at one of them. This one was 182 kilometers deep. This one looks to be near Guaya. This is a volcano. This is Santa Maria Torba. So, Guaya, Vanuatu, is a stratovolcano. The roughly 20-kilometer diameter Guaya Island, also known as Santa Maria, consists of basaltic to andesitic stratovolcano with a 6 by 9 kilometer wide summit caldera. Small parasitic vents near the caldera fed Pleistocene lava flows that reach the coast on several sides of the island. Several littoral cones I believe that's how it said. Littoral cones were formed where these lava flows reached the sea. If you want to read more, you can check that out on Google Earth. So that one is near Guaya. So let's see if where that other one is. So that 5.8, this one's got just a few off on that one. So this one was 185 kilometers deep as well. This one was pretty much in the same area, just over a little bit. This is Tolab here. So that is our Vanuatu earthquakes. Now we're going to look at our last one for today, and that is a 5.8 in Coquimbo, Chile. And this one was 40 kilometers deep. We're going to look at where this one occurred. This one is here. This is La Higuera. So, looking at this one, I don't know. There might be some views here, so we'll peek and see. We'll just go here. I don't know what's here. It looks like a town is here. Something's here. Road. And lots of hills, but this is the epicenter back past that way of the earthquake. And up. So that is where this last earthquake has occurred, which was a 5.8 and it was 40 kilometers deep. Anyways, you guys, hope y'all enjoyed my update. Please be good to yourselves and each other. Much love.